Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about the Wellah Pump It Creatine. Is it legit or another scam? So this is their website right here and they sell creatine and protein. So as you can see, Wellah is a company that I have never heard of obviously, but looks like they are legit. So they are actually targeting women in general for their workout products. So it's not uncommon for you to not hear products such as this. So they have a creatine right here. It's creatine monohydrate and it serves 3 grams per serving. So they are legit actually and no bad reviews so far from what I've seen. The only one-star review is actually it's not being delivered. So that's on Amazon's courier side, but the actual product is good enough for most people with 3 grams of creatine and even other um, flavors that you can purchase right here with coconut and strawberry and watermelon slush. Perfect for women users. So there you go, guys. So this is just another legit product by Pump It Up by Wella. So it's a creatine right here. So there you go, guys.